Alright, today is Sunday, the 7th of August, and this is my very first vlog, and I have no idea what to say. Well, it was Anthony actually who put me up to this crap. Come to think of it, I kind of listen to him too much these days, which is probably not that good. Anyway, this is sort of just a vlog to tell you that I'm gonna be making a vlog, and well, that's about it. Today the weather is shitty and it's raining as hell, and if we're lucky we might catch a nice lightning on the video. Okay, I'm talking like a complete retard right now. Alright, let's see. Wanna see my mom? There she is, walking to my grandma's place. There's a football match here, but soccer, whatever, of the local team right there. I don't know if you're gonna see that. Nah, crappy camera. I sort of need to get a new one, because right now I'm just using my cell phone. Oh well. Okay, I just realized that it's impossible to catch lightning on video if you're not persistent, and that's one of the qualities that I don't usually have. But I have another half an hour. I'm just gonna sit here and try to record stuff. Because if you didn't get the hint already, this is gonna be one very boring vlog. So better just shoot, get out of here. Okay, I totally gave up on that lighting idea. It was just stupid idea in the first place. There's no way I'm ever gonna be able to film that. So anyway, I guess this is all for now. So I'm Ivan Sama, and this was my vlog.